Are you struggling to choose between these two popular Cuckoo 6-cup rice cookers? We are diving deep into the CR-0655F and the CR-0632F to find your winner. This comparison covers everything from cooking technology to daily ease of use today. First, let us examine the Cuckoo CR-0655F, a classic and highly reliable model. A standout feature is the non-stick inner pot, which ensures perfectly cooked grains. This model offers 16 menu options, providing great flexibility for your daily meals. The steam release is consistent, resulting in fluffy rice every single time you cook. The rounded red and white design feels nostalgic yet fits well in modern spaces. Operating this unit is incredibly simple thanks to the clear, tactile front buttons. Students and small families will find this 6-cup capacity perfect for their needs. The main pros include its affordability and the very durable non-stick inner pot. However, it lacks the advanced fuzzy logic sensors found in more expensive models. A reliable, budget-friendly choice for simple, daily rice cooking. Now let us switch focus to the Cuckoo CR-0632F, a more advanced option. Its key feature is the Micom technology, which uses an intelligent cooking algorithm. This results in better grain texture and consistent quality for various rice types. The LCD screen provides a clear countdown and precise digital control for users. The sleek black and silver finish offers a premium look for high-end kitchens. The multi-cook function is effortless to navigate using the intuitive digital menu buttons. Gourmet home cooks who demand precision will prefer this smart, intelligent rice cooker. Major pros are the superior grain texture and the highly advanced Micom algorithm. On the downside, the digital interface may feel slightly complex for some beginners. A high-performance, smart cooker for those seeking kitchen culinary perfection. The CR-0632F wins for technology, but the CR-0655F offers better overall value. Choose the CR-0632F for precision or the CR-0655F for reliable, simple value.